Okay, welcome. Today is the 24th of August 2020. It's around 4:15 local time. Euro dollar an hour chart 1.1823. Sorry, the last video didn't have any sound, so I'm doing this follow-up video. And this is a great chance to once more explain what the edge of the causality trader is. I mean, let's go through some points straight away. So, first of all, you see dump money, short accumulations, the red bars lead the smart money to push the price against those guys. Yeah, so once you see those kind of short accumulations, these can be buying opportunities for causality traders. And guess what? Once all the stops were taken from these shorties, the dumb money gets lured into buying euro dollar very expensively, believe it or not. So there's some kind of dumb money switch going on, and guess what? The smart money reacts by pushing the price down against those traders, going for their stops this time. So pulling euro dollar down rather. And what should I should also emphasize that, around the world you could see people talking about the 120 level. I have called this phenomenon the even level phenomenon. So there's no reason why the smart money has to take the 120. Otherwise, it would be easy. You could just trade towards those levels. Of course, such simple strategies are not allowed. So these dumb money buyers, they were trying to buy, the dip in euro dollar towards the 120, and it failed so far. So the smart money was just taking out the stops, getting the margin calls, etc. So we actually see what's going on. Our causality traders know first what will happen next. After this pullback here, this was a nice short entry back down towards the lows. Especially if more longies come in, more green bars, the price will go further down to those stops here. Of course, there's always a chance that, again, shorties enter the market and therefore they go for the stops above the last high, but right now it seems a less likely scenario. But these things can change. Our people see these things live, so we are the first ones to know, basically. And this is a fantastic opportunity to reiterate those points. So we have position runs and stop runs going on against the dumb money traders, which are shown here via the MK, and our traders were able to see how those stop accumulations were taken out one by one, and of course these can be trading setups for us. And we had this dumb money switch in euro dollar, which resulted in the reversal move down, and now looks rather bearish. Cable, also interesting, now moving around the lows. Also some dumb money long activity, so they could also break the low at some point, especially if more longies, more green bars come in and then go for lower stops. So yeah, after this weakness in the US dollar over weeks, these are interesting setups, and it's a great chance to actually explain those points. Sorry that the last video didn't have any audio, so I'm doing this follow-up. Stay safe, everyone.